To another edition of English Makes No Sense, and a new feature I'm going to call American Slang. American Slang, yeah, sayings are slang sayings that are uniquely American. Come on. Today's saying is, slow your roll. Slow your roll, but I love rolls. Yeah, me too. I like cinnamon rolls. I like sourdough rolls. But slow your roll has nothing to do with eating tasty bread. No. Slow your roll means don't get too excited. Calm down, relax. What? Say your friend is like, oh my God, we got to go get this ticket. We got to go right now. And you say, whoa, slow your roll. That's all you need to say. Got it? Why does American slang change don't get too excited, calm down, and relax into just slow your roll? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. My son was so excited to get fresh donuts. He woke me at 5 a.m., jumping up and down. I said, son, slow your roll. What? Come on, American English. Can you make a sentence with slow your roll? Leave it in the comments. Peace.